How's it going, guys? I've got an exciting video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at this LeoVince slip-on exhaust. Real quickly, before we actually take a look at what comes with the LeoVince slip-on, I want to talk about why I'm even adding an exhaust to the bike. Now, typically people would add a slip-on if they're looking to improve the look or the sound of the bike, maybe shed some weight, add a little bit of power. But for me, the main issue was because of some interference issues that I had with the stock exhaust. And I've got one here. This is from the left side of the bike. And as you can see, it flares out in the back. It's got this kind of really tall triangular shape. And the problems that it was creating for me was that it sort of interferes with your heel. So if you have the ball of your foot on the foot peg, then your heel bumps up against the heat shield on the exhaust. And the same is kind of true for the passenger as well. It comes really close to the passenger foot pegs and can create some interference issues there. The other problem it has is on the bottom of the exhaust. Because it comes so low and close to the swing arm, it can actually interfere with the swing arm spools. So the two options are that you can run really narrow spools that are hard to use, or you can take the spools off anytime that you're not working on the bike. And both of those options are kind of a pain. And so that was really what motivated me to look for an alternative to the stock exhaust. Alright, so enough of the boring stuff. Let's see what this thing comes with. Alright, so here's everything that comes with the kit. We get the two carbon fiber mufflers, mounting brackets, these are also carbon fiber, the two link pipes, springs to attach the link pipes to the mufflers, some documentation, there's installation instructions, and then these look like some kind of regulatory sticker, but I don't think this is applicable in the US. And then there's these baffles, and I'm not sure if these need to be used. But fit and finish on everything is really good. Everything feels very nicely constructed. Here you can get a closer look at the actual muffler. It's got this nice kind of textured matte finish carbon fiber on the main body, and then a gloss finish on the end cap. You can see the DB killer insert in here. And when I do the audio test, I'll test this both with and without the DB killer, because I'm not sure if I want to leave it in or not. Stainless steel end caps. Just a really nice looking piece. These are the mounting brackets. Again, full carbon fiber on the outside of the mounting bracket, and then it's got a rubber sleeve, and the rubber is even tapered to match the taper of the exhaust. Aluminum mounting hardware. And here's one of the link pipes. This is kind of interesting. This link pipe, I believe this is for the right side, because there's a lower fairing piece, and that will mount to this. This is actually longer than this one. So that must correspond with something on the stock exhaust system. But I don't remember one side being longer than the other, so I'm curious to take a look at that. But got nice clean welds. Just really good craftsmanship. One thing that I was reading on the website was that they use UV resistant resins when they're laying up the carbon fiber, so this shouldn't yellow or crack or fade over time. Alright, let's take a look and see what one of these weighs compared to the stock setup. Alright, so let's see the weight for the stock exhaust. £7, 9.1 ounces. And then the LeoVince setup. 4 pounds, 12 ounces. Alright, so the total weight for the stock setup is about 15 pounds, 2 ounces, and the LeoVince setup is 9 pounds, 8 ounces. So just by switching to this system, you're saving over 5.5 pounds. Alright guys, so that's a look at the LeoVince Factory S. Stay tuned for my next video, which will cover the installation of this and also have sound samples of the stock exhaust versus this setup, and this will be tested with and without the dB killer. Thanks for watching.